Could you turn the light louder or brighter?
Okay, make it. Okay, did you make a button?
Not done.
Okay, show Mama you made a button on the Roomba.
Wow, you did that?
Yeah.
Yourself? Oh.
Yeah, I'll pressed it. Okay, what's that? Okay, you can put the Roomba, the button maker right there. That's the girl. You're gonna put the girl right there.
Yeah.
They're touching a lot? Charging?
Yes. The big one.
You want to hear this? He stole hair care products. Box one.
I said I sold $600 or $800. So.
You might have to keep your hair stuff.
Okay.
Can you hold this so you can see his cute little face? Roomba's charging?
Yeah.
Wow.
Johnny, get out.
Good job. Are you having fun?
I make.
Oh.
What's that one?
Make Roomba again.
You want to make the Roomba again?
That's a little one.
A little one or a big one?
Little one.
Oh, there's so many little ones. Dada made them. 1, 2, 3. Give me that one.
Make it one.
What did Picky eat for dinner today?
Soup.
Soup. What kind of? What did you put on the soup?
Fish.
What kind of fish?
Goose.
Goldfish.
No.
Is there snow outside?
Yeah.
Did you get to touch it?
Yeah.
How did it feel?
Good.
Good.
Cold.
No, I said good.
Oh, it felt good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then what happened to it after it on your hand?
What
Cold.
It was cold? And then what happened?
And the Roomba is just going.
Hey, what'd you do to the
You
Roomba?
broke it. You broke it.
I want to make a Roomba.
Make again. Why'd you break it?
I want to make Roomba. You got a big one.
You keep breaking it, and Mama keeps making it.